Here we have the GE 655 front load series that you can stack as well. One of the things that I love personally about this unit is I am not the tallest person in the world. So whenever I grew up having my unit stacked, I would always have to grab a stool to try to operate the dryer. But GE figured out how to not have to grab that stool. They actually added the dryer control onto the washer, which is going to be on the bottom anyway, so you can completely control the dryer from the washer. Super unique feature. It's nice you don't have to grab your phone. Everything can just be done through here. We do have a little like step-by-step how-to guide on the top, which is nice. So if you come in, we can kind of walk you through how to operate that. Some of the main other features on the GE set is going to be that microban seal that they have. So it's going to be protected with the microban to help build up or help kind of with any buildup, bacteria, mold, anything like that, to help protect that so you don't have to spend that time scrubbing. Large capacity at 5.3. Traditional cycles with some steam cycle options as well. Your quick wash, your delicates, activewear, as well as a couple of the different steam cycles over here to really help release any kind of stains or any kind of sanitization or anything, especially in those blankets around the colder months whenever there is a lot of sickness going around. Over here, you do see a couple of the other cycles that they have, the Ultra Vash Vent, as well as the Smart Dispense that you do have in this unit here. So again, you are able to fill this up with about 50 ounces of detergent. The unit will essentially weigh the amount of clothes and then enter the detergent automatically. There is some other options if you do not want to use that as well, that you can always just use like the traditional kind of detergent dispenser that they have here too. Moving on to the dryer. First, you're going to notice we have a very large capacity, about 7.8, and it does have that really, really large filter, which is great to collect a lot of that kind of, towel, especially those beach towels or blankets, things like that, those plush blankets that really end up kind of getting a lot of lint. It's going to be able to collect a lot more of it, which is great. Tell me when to start. Okay. Up through here, you are going to see that they do also have a couple of the steam cycles, which is great to help relax wrinkles, especially in dresses before work, blouses, or even any of those fitted sheets that just always kind of come out like a tumbled mess. Can always kind of relax some of those wrinkles with that steam. Traditional cycles, you have some mixed loads, some towels, cottons, again, activewear and sanitize, as well as your delicates and permanent press. Reducing your static, as well as an air fluff, some delay options, adding more time, and of course the Eco Dry as well. Both of these units are Wi-Fi enabled, so you can completely control them through the app, which I have personally used a couple times, and I will tell you it's very user-friendly and easy to use. You can download them for any of the GE products that are smart connected, and again, it'll walk you through how to connect all of them. As always, check out donsappliances.com for more information.